Look at me.
God MC. M Diggity. I'm an expensive guy, you want cheap side. Can't strong on me with a weak vibe. If I decide to let the beat ride, it's a major move to over the minor dudes. Every day some hates at the right love song. It ain't funny, me the irony is quite strong. I'm in a dark place, right to keep the lights on. With blind ambition, set my sights on greatness. Ramadan, make fast, no time for lateness. Young cashers, I am the greatest. Always without fail. You're too short to be telling tall tales.
Look at me. Yeah, my boy. Yeah, Kuma. What you see? Yeah, corner boy. You go see. Confit. 100%. Look at me. Yeah, my boy. Yeah, Kuma. What you see? Yeah, corner boy. You go see. Confit. 100%. 100%.
Yeah, I put my chest out, tell the rest out, manifest the best out. No kidding, quiet for a while I was in my kitchen, till I was smitten by another bad rhythm. Do I got fully loaded clips, Lord willing? Give me a mic and I might rub givens. Even though I'm grounded, I have no ceilings. About to have the whole world tripping. You the beef with, nah, I'm chilling. Certified villain, milk D top billing. Can I say? King ping on my Vimton. Yeah, keep it rolling on these Michelins. Whoa.
Look at me, yeah, my boy, yeah, Kuma. What you see? Yeah, corner boy, you go see. Confit, 100%. Look at me, yeah, my boy, yeah, Kuma. What you see? Yeah, corner boy, you go see. Confit, 100%. 100%. Confit, 100%. Confit, 100%. Look at me, yeah, my boy, yeah, Kuma. What you see? Yeah, corner boy, you go see. Confit, 100%. 100%. Confit, 100%. Everything. Voila, everything. Confit, 100%. Everything nice for voila. I talk one corner. Next season still we win and we the reason all the place turn up. Normally, some deep things, but now with the east things, see the manifest about to move things. Rest things, y'all niggas better rethink.